Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create cinematic story videos with Hailuo AI. First, start by deciding on a simple story idea. Think about your main character, location, action, and the overall mood you want to create. Open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Now write a prompt describing one scene at a time. Include the character, environment, action, lighting, and camera movement. For example, you could create a scene where a traveler walks through a quiet forest at sunset while the camera slowly follows from behind. For a longer story, create separate scenes instead of trying to describe the entire story in one prompt. Keep the main character's appearance and important details consistent between scenes. After generating each scene, preview the result and check the character, movement, background, and camera motion. If something doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and generate another version. You can also use image references when available to help maintain a similar character appearance across different scenes. Once all your scenes are ready, save the generated clips and combine them in your preferred video editor. Then you can add voiceover, music, sound effects, captions, and transitions to complete the story. Remember to keep the story simple and make each scene connect naturally to the next one. And that's how you can create cinematic story videos with Hailuo AI.